my gosh, sorry naman sa aking anak na hindi ko masyado napansin kasi I was in the middle of a phone call kasi nga busy and inaantok ako. Pero this one lifted my spirits. So sleepy, babe. I need to finish this.
Okay. Hello everybody. I think my mom is sleeping. I'm gonna make an ice cream smoothie shake.
Okay, let's go. Step by step. What's your first step?
First, we need a blender. Let's put our blender here.
Okay.
Second,
The glass.
we have the glass and the spoon.
How about the...
And then, we need a plate for the glass so we can like spin.
That's good. Nice one.
We need some ice and ice cream.
Where's the ice cream?
Here it is.
Okay. What else?
And some ice.
Where will you put your ice? Princess? Put it in a plate.
I'm gonna put it in the plate.
Or inside.
Yes. I'm gonna put it there first. First, we have to open this up. And then we have to pour our ice in. The ice is so slippery. Second, open your ice cream.
Okay.
And then get some ice cream.
I think may kulang.
What?
The milk.
Oh, the milk. And then you have to put milk, of course.
Small amount of milk, I think.
Small. I'm gonna put the milk first. First, we have to put the milk. Sorry. How to open the milk? Twist. Can you help that?
Okay, I'll help you. Oh,
Thank you.
okay.
So we already put more ice and milk. Next step, put some ice cream.
Sa tingin mo magigising si mommy dyan?
Yeah.
Make sure guys na malinis yung pagkakagawa.
Yes.
Right,
And-
Princess?
Yeah, because this will get a little bit messy. And guys, you need an adult to do this. But if you're a little bit older or whatever, you can do it by your own. But if you still need help, you can ask for help. Because this is a little bit messy. Okay, so let's blend it. Close it properly.
Is that surprise for mom?
Yeah. Alright. I think we put too much.
Oh, what's wrong?
So the machine got low battery, still charging. So first, we also have to put some ice cream in the glass.
Wow, that's too much sweet, Princess.
Yeah, it's okay. More sweet, more energetic.
Ano yung nasa taas? Another ice cream?
Yeah.
What ice cream is that?
Cookies and cream.
What's your favorite?
I love vanilla and cream and sundae.
So while waiting for your blender na ma-charge, you talk naman.
So guys,
Oh,
we're gonna wait for my blender to charge. So let's just talk about things. Like, you have to make sure...
pag ikaw sleepy ka sa sa classroom, anong ginagawa mo para
Stretch it.
stretching? Remove first
First, the charger.
the charger. Okay, let's try it.
Nope.
Let's check it first, guys. I think it's still low back. Okay.
Hey guys, so already blended it.
Oh, turn it up first. Turn it up. Okay. Then next step.
We're gonna put it in the glass.
Wait.
Where we put the ice cream.
Can I help?
Yeah, sure.
Hold it. Hold it.
Okay. So let's pour it in.
Oops. Make sure.
And start in here.
Wow.
Nice.
More.
More?
I think more. What you think?
No.
Taste it first. Taste it first. Para.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Call mommy.
Mom. This is the
Show mo yung blender mo.
So this is the blender. We just put too much, but it really like
Okay.
Okay, so this is the ice cream. Let's mix it first before we give it to mom.
Ako search yung stories lang.
Taste it?
Stories lang ako nalagay.
Good.
Kasi nagsistay
Let's give it to mom first.
But anyways,
But mommy is still busy talking. Are you gonna give her? Okay, give her.
I'm gonna put it in.
Okay. Wait for that. What will you say?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. To like our videos, guys.
Okay, let's show mommy first.
Kasi di ba remember, hindi tayo natuloy sa one like that kasi ang mahal ng stories natin. Yung ganun, sir. Opo. But you can ask her ha, if they are going to, if meron.
Are you happy?
Pero, opo.
Let's
Pero
go.
sir, kung kami lang, kasi
Bye.
ito
Subscribe.
naman mga simple events eh. Oh my gosh, sorry naman sa aking anak na hindi ko masyado napansin kasi I was in the middle of a phone call kasi nga busy and inaantok ako. Pero this one lifted my spirits. O diba? Lifted my spirits kasi nakaka-touch na nag-create siya ng such a treat. Tsaka masarap siya talaga. Promise. Totoo naman yung sinabi niya dun sa video na what did she say, Dad? More sweets, more energy. O diba? Pwede ng pantaglay para sa kanyang Ice Cream Smoothie. Yay!
Go there.
I'll say thank you to her. She's now having online class. Babe, thanks again for my smoothie! Busy na siya.
Always your number one. SM Radio Station. Love Radio.